So now go back up to the heart to start here, and we'll be looking at the arteries. So you have your aortic arch right here, literally that arch. That aortic arch leads into your brachiocephalic artery. Now, unlike your veins, which has a left and a right brachiocephalic, your arteries just have this right here. That's your brachiocephalic, and it's only a right, all right? And you don't even have to say right, just brachiocephalic artery. That brachiocephalic artery has 3 branches, which are right here. Anybody know what they branch off to?
Subclavian.
Exactly. Here's your subclavian right here. And then the other 2 are your carotids. All right, your carotid arteries. And they lead up, you can see them lead up right here. All right. Now, if your, it's the left side, so if your right subclavian branches off from your I keep wanting to say pectoantebrachial. Branches off from your brachiocephalic artery, then where's your left subclavian? Well, it actually branches off from the aortic arch right here. And you can see that in this picture. So you have your aortic arch right here, your left subclavian just whoop, right off of it. And that doesn't need the brachiocephalic, just right off that aortic arch. Your right subclavian, here's the brachiocephalic, your right subclavian branches off of that brachiocephalic up here. All right, cool beans?
Can you go over that? Wait, can you do that one more time?
Absolutely. So start at the aortic arch, and if you start at the aortic arch, and you can see right here at the aortic arch, just shoots right out of it is that left subclavian. Doesn't need the brachiocephalic, doesn't want it, straight shoots right into that left subclavian. And you can see that here. One of the reasons why I'm having y'all draw these things out, because right off that aortic arch, left subclavian, axillary, brachial. Now, so you see, yeah, my arteries. So here's your aortic arch, and your left subclavian just whoop, right off. Left subclavian, axillary, brachial. Now, your brachiocephalic leads up from that aortic arch, and that's where your right subclavian, which is right here. I'm sorry, did I have these back? No, I'm right. Your right subclavian branches off from that brachiocephalic. All right, and that you can see up here in these three branches right there. All right, and it's pretty easy to distinguish which one's the subclavian, because the carotids obviously go straight up to the neck. All right, you get that? Cool beans. And that's it. And then again, your subclavians go from your subclavian to your axillary to your brachial, just like your veins do. All right. So moving down from the aortic arch, now unlike the veins where it's just superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, after going down from the aortic arch, you actually have in your thoracic cavity, it's your
thoracic aorta.
Yep, exactly, your thoracic aorta. In your abdominal cavity, it's your, take a wild guess, yeah, abdominal aorta. But it has 2 different names, whereas the inferior vena